What's the secret to living a long, happy, and meaningful life? According to Héctor García and Francesc Miralles in their book Ikigai, it all comes down to finding your purpose, your reason for being, and it's a concept worth exploring. The word Ikigai comes from Japan and refers to the intersection of what you love, what you are good at, and what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. It's about aligning your passion, mission, vacation, and profession to live a balanced and fulfilling life. The authors takes us to Okinawa, one of the world's blue zones where people live the longest, to uncover habits that support a meaningful life, from staying active and maintaining strong community ties to eating light and always having a purpose. Ikigai offers lessons that are as practical as they are inspiring. One of the biggest takeaways for me is the idea of finding joy in small daily routines. Whether it's cooking, working, or spending time with loved ones, Ikigai teaches us that happiness isn't found in big achievements but in appreciating the present moment. Now, while the book is filled with inspiring ideas, it can feel a bit surface level if you are looking for deep psychological insights. But for anyone seeking a gentle introduction to living with intention, it's a perfect read. If you are ready to discover your own Ikigai, I have linked the book in the description below. You can also enjoy the audiobook for free with an Amazon Audible trial that is perfect for those reflective walks. Now, what's your Ikigai? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't read the book yet, it might just inspire you to find your purpose. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.